Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Programming with Gautam. So in the previous video, we have seen how to read a particular line using a Python program in a file. So today we'll be seeing how to write data in a particular file using a Python program. So let me create a new Python file, demo3. So we'll be learning about the write mode today. So what does the write mode do? So the write mode searches for the particular file. If that particular file is available in our system or whatever location you give, then it will open that particular file and clear all the content that is already available in that particular file. If there is no particular file with that particular name, then what it will do is it will create a new file with that particular name according to your requirement. If already the file is available, it will delete the complete data whatever is there in that particular file, and it will write the new data whatever you are trying to write. So I'll first show you with this existing file what will happen to an existing file. Then I'll show you with a new file. Okay guys. So we'll open file equals to open abc abc.txt in write mode. After that, file.write I am making videos on Python. Then after that, file dot close. After closing, we'll print data written to file successfully. So here the text in this particular text file is, hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Programming with Gautam. So it should change to I am making videos on Python. So what is this file open function doing? It is opening the particular file in write mode. After that, we are writing this particular data, that is I am making videos on Python, to the abc.txt. After we have written that particular data, we are closing that particular file and printing this line here. So if I run this program, you can see the data in this changes. You can see the data is completely changed here. I have not done anything. I am making videos in Python. After I have executed this particular Python program, the data in this particular file changed automatically. So we can also give the user, take input from the user and give data here. So we'll use data as the variable here, and I'll put data equals to input, enter the data that you want to write in the file. So if I execute this, it will ask me for input. I'll go on abc.txt and show you guys. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So you can see whatever I've written here is, whenever I press enter, the moment I press enter, the data is being written here, and we are getting data returned to file successfully. Okay guys. So this is about the write mode when the file already exists. So what happens if I do not have that particular file? So I have changed the file name from abc.txt to python.txt. Now I will run this program. When I run this program, you can see a new file will be created here. That is python.txt. I'm running it. So it is asking me to write some data. So I'm writing, hello guys, welcome to the world of programming, and press enter. The moment I press enter, you can see a Python file was created here, python.txt. Whatever I have written, it is there in that particular file. So what is the purpose of a write mode, guys? So again, let me tell you, if a file is already available, the data in that particular file will be deleted completely and the new data will be written with the help of the write mode. If the file does not exist, a new file will be created with that particular name, and the data whatever we are writing will be written in that particular file. Okay guys, so hope you have understood, guys. If you have understood, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Programming with Gautam. Thank you.